Hi, I'm Darrell with Catalysis, and today I want to talk a little bit about packaging. Typically, packaging like this is the last thing in product development. You spend all your time developing the product, you got a launch date, and then your package has got to be done. So it's typically the time crunch is always an issue. So for thermoforming, vacuum thermoforming, this is a typical Catalysis tool, 3D printed binder jet with our proprietary coating package. This tool here was $3,100. And the project was 300 parts for the customer. So the amortized tooling cost on this part here off of this tool was $10. And comparable to that is an aluminum tool. The aluminum tool for this part was $8,100. So that tool cost amortized over 300 parts, which is what the customer's project, that's what they needed, was $27. So you're looking at $10 for this part tooling amortization cost, or $27 for an aluminum tool. So it's a huge difference when you look at the tool cost. So if you're interested in tooling from Catalysis, 3D printed tooling, we can save you costs, we can save you time. Give us a call.